In today's video I will walk you through how to lock your BingX account. Think someone may have accessed your BingX account without your permission? Or maybe you've lost your phone and want to secure your account immediately. BingX provides an account lock feature that can help prevent unauthorized access while you investigate the issue. Let's get started. If you can still access your account, sign in and go to your security center from your profile settings. If you can't log in because you suspect your account has been compromised, use the account recovery or security options available on the login page to begin the account protection process. BingX provides these tools to help users secure their accounts as quickly as possible. Inside the Security Center, look for the option Lock Your Account. Then hit Settings button. You will see a screen explaining what will happen once your account is locked. Then tap Lock Your Account again. Once verified, confirm that you want to lock the account. This action helps prevent unauthorized logins and certain account activities until you regain control of your account. If you believe your account has been compromised, it's a good idea to contact BingX customer support as soon as possible. And that's how you lock your BingX account.